So it's time to see how you did. So for the first one, you should have gotten your point. The point that they have in common is 2, 7. And for B, you should have gotten the point that they have in common is -1, -2. So in A, hopefully you saw that, oh, hey, my y's are opposite. So my y's are going to cancel out. Okay, y's are gone. Add what you have left. So 5x and 3x add to 8x. -32 and 48 adds to 16. Oh, hey, 8 times 2 is 16. So x is 2. All right, you're halfway there. So now find y. So you've got to take that value of 2 and sub back into one of the functions. Doesn't matter which one it is. Let's use the second function. So 3 times 2 plus 6y equals 48. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 6y is 48. Subtract the 6 from the 48, and you get 6y equals 42. Divide by 6. 42 divided by 6 is 7. Okay, so now the second one, making sure we got this. So hopefully when you go to look and see, okay, what variables will eliminate. So, okay, x's cancel out. Add what you have remaining. So my y's add together, giving me -7y. 9 and 5 add to 14. So y is -2. All right, so that's our y. We're halfway there. Now we've got to figure out what x is. Sub back in. Doesn't matter which equation you use. We got to find x. I'm going to use the second one. So 3x minus 4 times -2 is equal to 5. So this becomes 3x plus 8, because a negative times a negative is a positive. Then subtract the 8 from the 5. So I'm going to have 3x is equal to -3. Divide by 3. X is -1. And that's how you got the solution, -1, -2. Okay, now the second example. So let's take a look. What happens when you have two equations that are not exactly ready to cancel out yet? So you have your 2x minus 4y equals -4, and you have 4x minus 4y equals -12. Well, if I look, my y's, it would be nice if I could eliminate them, but they're not opposites of each other. Well, one step, that's all you got to take. I got to make them opposites. So the only way I can make them opposites is by distributing through a -1. Now, I can distribute to the top, I can distribute through the bottom. It really doesn't matter. But if I distribute through a -1 and change that second function, then I am going to have opposite y's. Now, I chose the y's because they're almost there, okay? So I'm going to rewrite my first equation, 2x minus 4y is equal to -4. And then now I'm going to rewrite the second equation with the -1 being distributed through. So -4x plus 4y is equal to +12. Okay, now you're ready to add the two functions together. So y's are opposite, they cancel out. My x's, so 2x and -4x, adds and makes -2x. Okay, -4 and 12 adds to 8. Then divide both sides by -2. 8 divided by -2 is -4. So my value for x is -4. All right, the rest of the steps should be pretty repetitive at this point. We're halfway there. So now we need to find the other variable. So we know what x is, so now find y. So the only way I can do that is to sub back in. So I'm going to sub in -4 into my x. So I'll use the top function, 2x minus 4y equals -4. Okay, I'm going to replace my x with -4. So 2 times negative 4, negative 8. Negative 8 minus 4y is equal to negative 4. We got to get y by itself. We're going to start by adding 8 to the other side. So then I have negative 4y equals positive 4. Divide by negative 4. 4 divided by negative 4 is negative 1. All right, now we have the point that they share. So the solution to this system of equations is negative 4, negative 1. Okay, so you've got 2 examples here to try on your own. So when you watch the next video, you'll see how to you'll see the solution and the process of solving them. Hope things are going well.